Alright, so good day mga kayamers. Kamusta po ang lahat? Alright, so for today's video mga kayamers, ipapakita ko sa inyo right, yung Spider Neo Ace na helmet. Okay, na nabili natin. So, alright, so please stay tuned. Alright, so ito na mga kayamers. Ito yung ating helmet na nabili. Okay, so yung Spider Neo Ace na helmet. Okay, so lalabas natin. Alright, so yan mga kayamers. Okay, ang pinili natin ay pearl white na helmet. Okay, ito yung again Spider Neo Ace na helmet. Okay, so mapapansin nyo, ayan, ito yung unang, actually kung titingnan mo siya, parang siya, dual visor ang datingan niya. Okay, dual visor, ito yung visor sa labas. Okay, and then meron dito switch sa gilid. Ito yung para sa kanyang secondary na lens. Okay, so nagamit na natin to mga kayamers, no? So sa next video natin, bibigyan ko kayo ng review. Sandali. Oops. Oop. Yan, nandiyan yung switch. So, yan. Okay. Alright. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo rin mga kayamers, wala siyang vent sa taas. Okay. Ito yung nalulikod niya. Okay. Okay. So, ayun yung gilid niya. Okay. So, dalawang yan mga kayamers. So, nung bilhin natin to, may extra lens siya na smoke dito sa labas. Okay, meron din dust bag. So, yung normal na freebies. Okay, so, ayan yung pwede natin taas to. Ganyan. So, again, natatanggal to, yung chin niya. Yun, nandito yung mga switch sa ibaba. Yan. Tsaka yan. Okay. So, pwede siyang maging half face. Yan. Okay, natatanggal yung kanyang chin. So, yan yung loob niya mga kayamers. So, intercom ready na rin to. Kaya mapapansin nyo may intercom tayo. So, yan. Intercom ready na to. So, sa mga may intercoms dyan, okay rin tong helmet na to. Alright? So, yan. Pwede rin siya maging half-face helmet mga kayamers. Kung mapapansin nyo. Okay, so, para siyang Reboot 2. Yan. Yung ko sa akin, para siyang Reboot 2. Okay. So, hindi siya ganun kabigat mga kayamers, no? Pero again, yung quality ng kanyang helmet, as you know, Spider naman, sobrang quality yan. So, ayan. Hindi mabigat sa ulo tong helmet na to nung biniyahe ko. So, kaya very happy with this helmet. Okay. So, yan. Kung paano ikabit ito mga kayamers, may mga slot lang rin dyan. Yan, yung slot niya para dito. Yan, ito yung sa kabila. Para doon. So, papasok nyo lang yan. Yan yung mga switches sa ilalim. So, papasok nyo lang ganyan. Tapos, full face helmet na uli siya. Okay? So, sa next video ko, bigay ko sa inyo yung review, okay, regarding dun sa trip natin dito kay kasama tong helmet na to. So, by the way, pearl siya. Pearl white, hindi siya basta-basta white. Pearl white siya. Okay? So, yun lang mga Kayamers. I hope you like this video. Okay? So, let me know if you have any questions regarding this helmet. Subukan natin sagutin. So, again, I hope you like it. I hope you like this video. So, please don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you mga Kayamers, and peace out.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, don't need no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough, calluses on my hands so rough. Yeah, I call your bluff, I'm not the one. Mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.